Welcome to our channel. Today, we're uncovering the 7 golden rules for excelling in life's exams. From honing your skills to managing time wisely, these strategies will equip you for success. Stay with us to discover how you can learn, adapt, and grow through every challenge. Rule number 1, know the syllabus. Life doesn't come with a predefined curriculum, but it has underlying principles. Develop a strong foundation in core values like honesty, integrity, and perseverance. These core values act as your moral compass, guiding you through difficult decisions and helping you stay grounded. Whether you're facing a tough situation at work or a personal dilemma, these values will steer you in the right direction. Rule number 2, sharpen your skills. Just like preparing for a specific subject, life requires you to develop essential skills. Hone your communication, problem solving, critical thinking, and adaptability skills. These are not just tools for career success, but for personal growth as well. Effective communication can resolve conflicts. Problem solving can turn challenges into opportunities, and adaptability helps you thrive in changing circumstances. Remember, the skills you develop are the keys to unlocking new doors. Rule number 3, practice makes progress. Success rarely happens overnight. Embrace the journey of learning and growth. Practice good habits, overcome your weaknesses, and continuously strive to be the best version of yourself. Whether it's practicing a sport, a musical instrument, or a new hobby, the process of consistent effort and refinement leads to mastery. Celebrate small victories along the way and use setbacks as stepping stones for future success. Rule number 4, manage your time wisely. Life is full of competing priorities, just like an exam schedule. Learn effective time management skills to juggle responsibilities, meet deadlines, and dedicate time to both work and personal well-being. Create a balanced schedule that allows for productivity and relaxation. Remember, time is one of your most valuable resources. Prioritize tasks, avoid procrastination, and make sure to allocate time for self-care and leisure. Rule number 5, stay focused and motivated. Life's challenges can be daunting. Develop strategies to stay focused on your goals and motivated throughout your journey. Set clear, achievable goals and remind yourself of your purpose. Find inspiration in role models, celebrate your achievements, and don't be afraid to seek support when needed. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep your end goals in sight to maintain motivation even during tough times. Rule number 6, learn from every experience. Every experience in life, good or bad, offers valuable lessons. Analyze your successes and failures, identify areas for improvement, and use these learnings to grow and adapt in the future. Keep a journal to reflect on what you've learned and how you can apply these insights moving forward. Embrace a mindset of continuous improvement and be open to feedback and new perspectives. Rule number 7, never give up on yourself. Life's exams can be tough, and setbacks are inevitable. Build resilience, develop a growth mindset, and never give up on yourself. Believe in your abilities and keep striving forward, even when the going gets tough. Remember, perseverance and self-belief are your greatest allies. Every obstacle is an opportunity to grow stronger and more resilient. By following these golden rules, you'll be well equipped to face any challenge life throws your way. Remember, success in life's exams is not just about the destination, but also about the journey of learning, growing, and becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.